In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with HubSpot. To do that, first head over to your HubSpot and click right here into the integrations right there by going to the settings or gear icon that we can find in this case. Once we're there, next thing to do is locate the integrations that we can find into this. So typically, it's under the option or the tools that we have available. So if you can find it, you can also head over and then try to search for this by clicking into the search icon. Let's search for connected apps. Search for this and you can find it. From there, it can see right here all of the list of the apps that we have connected for now. So for this case, let's head over and go to our up market in order to connect Twilio. Click onto the search bar and search right here for Twilio. You can find right here Twilio SMS, so click on this. After that, you can see this install option. Do take note that this one requires Twilio SMS subscription. So for this case, head over and click on the install option that will appear right here. It needs to have an existing subscription with both Twilio and HubSpot themselves, so make sure of that. And once you have clicked on it, it will open right here a window that allows you to log into your Twilio to initiate the integration. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.